Dip it into some yellow, just to give it some texture. Building it up as we go. Let's add a little bit of red into there. It's nice when you get a blend of colors mixed together in the same tone. So there's this orange, yellow, and the red. Some more red in here. It's a darker orange. So when you mix red and yellow, you get orange. There we go. Let's say whip up a pumpkin. Let's go with some red. Do some highlights here. Hey guys, what would you like to see in the next video? Leave your comments below and I'll see what I can do. Maybe a how-to paint video of some sort. What kind of subject matter? What are you looking for? Leave it in the comments below and I'll try to get to it in one of the videos coming up. So here it is, brand new for you to enjoy. Hope you have a good Halloween. And I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to hit that bell button, subscribe, share, and favorite. I'll see you later. RAEART signing off.